Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find dy by dx for the following. And we've been given the parametric equations x equal to 3n squared and y equal to 2n cubed. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Parametric equations let us describe a curve or shape by defining its position, like its x and y coordinates, using a separate independent variable called a parameter. Instead of a single equation relating x and y, a parametric equation set defines x and y as a function of the same parameter, in this case, n. To find the derivative of a function, we need to differentiate it using the power rule, one term at a time. The power rule tells us that if f of x is equal to x to the power of n, where n is any real number, its derivative f prime x is equal to n multiplied by x to the power of n minus 1. In other words, we multiply the original power by the coefficient of x and reduce the power of x by 1. Answering this question is a 4-step process. To begin, we need to differentiate the parametric equation for x with respect to n. Then we need to differentiate the parametric equation for y, again with respect to n. Then we need to use the chain rule and simplify. The question tells us that x is equal to 3n squared. And using the power rule for differentiation, we need to multiply by the power, which is 2. Then reduce the power by 1. So dx by dn is equal to 2 multiplied by 3n to the power of 1, which simplifies to give us 6n. The question also tells us that y is equal to 2n cubed. And using the power rule for differentiation, we need to multiply by the power, which is 3. Then reduce the power by 1. So dy by dn is equal to 3 multiplied by 2n squared, which simplifies to give us 6n squared. The chain rule tells us that dy by dx is equal to dy by dn multiplied by dn by dx. dy by dn is equal to 6n squared, and dn by dx is the reciprocal of dx by dn, which is the reciprocal of 6n, which gives us 6n squared multiplied by the reciprocal of 6n. We can simplify this by cancelling a 6 and an n from each term, which gives us n multiplied by 1, or just n. So, dy by dx, and the answer to this question is n. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.